The lights of Proxima B, signs from a distant civilization, expanded further. Imagine a universe unlike our own where the stars are not the only lights shining in the darkness. Where alien cities, vast and radiant, glow across distant planets, their artificial illumination breaking through the void of space like cosmic lighthouses. What once existed only in science fiction may now be inching toward science fact. In what could become one of the most revolutionary discoveries in human history, astronomers observing Proxima Centauri, the star closest to our solar system, have detected a remarkable anomaly on its nearby exoplanet, Proxima B. These aren't random bursts or natural flickers of reflected sunlight. They're patterned, pulsing signals measurable and distinct that resemble artificial lighting, much like the glow we see from Earth's cities when viewed from orbit. Regular. Rhythmic. Controlled. Could this be the signature of a civilization? Are we finally witnessing the glow of intelligent life, perhaps life that has, like us, learned to harness energy, build infrastructure, and light up the night? The implications are breathtaking. If these signals are indeed artificial, then we are looking at evidence of a technologically advanced civilization on a planet just 4.2 light-years away. In cosmic terms, that's next door. And much like our own world, where human settlements shine after sunset, perhaps their cities too are outlined by lights visible not because they are trying to signal us, but simply because they exist. This discovery would mean we are no longer alone. Not just in the sense that life is out there, but that intelligent, creative, and curious life has emerged elsewhere in the universe. It challenges our entire worldview. For centuries, we've imagined humanity as the central player in a vast, silent universe. But if these lights are real, if they are truly artificial, then Earth may be just one chapter in a much larger story, one written by many civilizations across the stars. And so we begin to wonder, who are they? What do they look like? What have they built? Do they also wonder who might be out there, watching them? The thought is humbling and thrilling. A civilization advanced enough to light up its planet may have science, art, language, and a history all its own. They may have overcome the challenges of survival and conflict. Or they may still be struggling with the same fundamental questions we face about purpose, about connection, about the meaning of their place in the universe. If this discovery is confirmed, it would be more than a scientific triumph. It would be a turning point in human history, a moment when we realize we are part of something far greater. It could bring humanity together with a shared sense of wonder and responsibility. We would no longer be just explorers of our own world, but participants in a much larger cosmic community. But it could also raise tensions. Nations might compete to be the first to establish contact. Corporations might race to exploit space technologies. And questions about diplomacy, ethics, and safety would come rushing to the forefront. Still, the pursuit is worth it. Because in reaching outward, we begin to better understand ourselves. This journey isn't just about discovering others. It's about redefining what it means to be human in an inhabited universe. We begin to shed our anthropocentric view that humans are the center of creation and adopt a broader, more inclusive understanding of life. We ask, are we alone? But more importantly, we begin to ask, if we are not alone, what will that mean for us? And perhaps, more poetically, are they watching their skies too, wondering the same about us? The lights of Proxima B are more than a mystery. They are a mirror reflecting our hopes, our fears, and our endless curiosity. They invite us to think not just about the stars, but about ourselves. They represent a question billions of years in the making, echoing across galaxies and time. And that question is only beginning to be answered. But to go deeper into this mystery, to determine what these lights truly are, we must turn to the most advanced instrument humanity has ever launched into space. A machine capable of seeing what no eye has seen before. James Webb. Unlocking the secrets of the universe. At the heart of this bold journey into the unknown stands the James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye into the deepest, darkest corners of the cosmos. Launched with the ambitious goal of rewriting our understanding of the universe, Webb is already reshaping the very boundaries of science, wonder, and imagination. This extraordinary instrument is not just capturing breathtaking images, it's capturing time itself. It peers back across billions of years, detecting ancient light that has traveled through the cosmic void to reach us, revealing galaxies as they once were, in the infancy of the universe. But Webb's mission goes far beyond simply gazing at distant stars and glowing nebulae. One of its most revolutionary capabilities is its ability to analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars far beyond our own. Among them is Proxima B, a tantalizing Earth-sized world orbiting our closest stellar neighbor. By carefully examining the way starlight filters through a planet's atmosphere, Webb can identify key chemical signatures, the molecular fingerprints of elements and compounds like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other building blocks of life as we know it. These aren't just abstract data points. They are clues, pieces of a cosmic puzzle that may help us determine whether these distant worlds are habitable or perhaps already inhabited. The shift from traditional radio wave detection to infrared observation has opened up an entirely new realm of discovery. We are no longer limited to simply listening to the universe, we can now see the hidden light signals that have remained invisible until now. The Webb telescope allows us to explore star systems previously veiled in darkness. It can detect the faintest glimmers of light from ancient civilizations, the last breaths of dying stars, the formation of new planets, and maybe, just maybe, the unmistakable signatures of alien cities. Every image returned by Webb is more than a snapshot. It's a page torn from the story of the cosmos, a chronicle written in starlight across billions of years. Some pages tell of stars preparing to explode in spectacular cataclysms. Others reveal serene, Earth-like planets orbiting in the habitable zones of distant suns, potential homes for life, or even civilizations we have yet to imagine. And somewhere, faintly glowing in the sea of data, is Proxima B. What began as a strange signal, an unexplained flicker, may someday be confirmed as the first detected trace of intelligent life beyond our solar system. Webb's observations aren't just changing what we know, they're challenging how we think. They push us to re-examine our assumptions about life, existence, and our place in the grand cosmic structure. This telescope is far more than a marvel of modern engineering, it is a bridge between the known and the unknown, a conduit for human curiosity and a testament to our unrelenting desire to explore. As our journey continues, the question is evolving. It is no longer just, are we alone? It's becoming, who are we? If we are not, we now stand at the edge of a cosmic revelation. The lights of Proxima B may soon illuminate not only another world but a new era for humanity, filled with awe, connection, and cosmic perspective. Outro. What do you think lies beyond the stars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If this voyage through space and possibility has stirred your imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the great mysteries of the universe. Music swells. The screen fades slowly to a star